Hey, what's going on, my friends? In this video, we are going to do a few different things. First, we're going to go through the steps that you take to make your YouTube subscription public. After that, we're going to go through I'm just going to kind of show you guys a cool little solution that you might want to consider using if you're doing some sort of drawing, some sort of raffle or giveaway. And to finish it off, we are going to, while we use that little tool, we're going to use it to determine the winner of our first contest, our first giveaway here on this channel. But of course, don't forget to like this video. It does help with the YouTube algorithm, and it does help me know that you guys appreciate these type of videos. After that, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on our latest video content. So as you can see, we are here on YouTube, and you might want to consider making your page public. So for example, you can be entered into someone's YouTube drawing or YouTube raffle that, you know, when they say, hey, subscribe to our channel. Well, so I'm going to show you guys the steps that you would take to make your YouTube subscription public. First, you come up here in the right hand corner, click on your little logo, your image. Then when you're here, you're going to come down and click on settings. And then from settings, you're going to come over to privacy. And when you are here, as you can see, playlists and subscriptions, keep all my saved playlists private, and that's on. And now it's saying keep all my subscriptions private. Your subscriptions won't be visible to others unless you use features that make them public. Learn more about what could make your subscription visible and manage subscriptions here. But right now, we're keeping all my subscriptions private. Now, we are not. So at this point, you guys would be able to see who I am subscribed to. It's saved automatically. You saw the little icon thing pop up there. So we are good to go. And that's how you make your page, your subscriptions public. So as I was saying before, when you start off with creating your account, your profile here on YouTube, as it says right here, when a viewer first joins YouTube, their subscriptions list is set to private by default. So unfortunately, a lot of people who maybe you found the content helpful on this channel, or maybe you heard about this contest and said, hey, I want a chance to get this free money, and you just subscribed. Well, unfortunately, you actually have to take the steps that I just took to be entered into this contest. Moving forward, I'm probably going to have it be where you have to subscribe to our newsletter on the website, which I'm still working on the website. So, you know, once I finish getting the website done, the next little round of this contest will continue. So everyone who is currently here subscribed, I'm hoping you guys are watching, and I'm hoping you continue to watch and that you see, you know, when I do go live with the website, so you can subscribe to that newsletter and continue to be entered into ongoing contests that I continue to do. But while we're here, this is basically the list of people that have been entered into my first little raffle, our first little giveaway contest. So, you know, good stuff to those of you who are public, whose subscriptions are public, and have subscribed to my channel, because I can see you guys, and all of you have been entered into the raffle. And so the next thing that I wanted to show you guys is if you happen to decide to do your own little raffle or giveaway where you need to do a drawing, well, wheelofnames.com is a cool little tool, as you can see, so all you have to do is get the list of all of your participants, anyone who is in this particular raffle that you're doing. In this case, as I said, it's, you know, the first initially 25 subscribers on this YouTube channel, where I can actually see them and who they are, because then all I had to do was copy all of their names on this list and then add them right in here. And, you know, you can shuffle if you want to mix it up, see if that might change things. It shouldn't change anything, but ultimately it's really simple. All you got to do after you add that list in here is just click to spin it. Has a cool little spinning sound, and the winner of the first giveaway contests. Oh, they got like all this. Okay, they clapping and everything. I wish you guys can hear this. This is cool. AKW. So I did a kind of a little abbreviation. So this is the winner of my first little giveaway, first little contest here on Make, Manage, Grow Money. As I was saying, I'm going to Cash App, I'm going to Venmo, I'm going to send you a check for $25 for nothing but simply hitting the subscribe button. Probably the easiest $25 you will ever have gotten. So what was it? It was AKW. Oh snap, it's this brother right here, Willie Jackson. We subscribed back on March 18th. So as you guys can see, we have our winner right down here, Willie Jackson, in which I think well, for one, congrats. And I'm gonna have to reach out and see how they would like to receive their money. But like I was saying before, moving forward, what I'm going to do is have it be where all you have to do is subscribe to the newsletter on the new website that I'm still working on, MakeManageGrowMoney.com, in which, I'm hoping to essentially turn that and, create kind of multiple courses, so to speak, on there that will be geared towards helping you guys, helping, my friends and family, people that I know and care about, that I think could benefit from some of the things that I've, spent a lot of time trying to learn and understand that they could benefit from. And I think a lot of you guys can benefit from it as well. So I'm excited for what's to come. I'm glad you guys are here with me so far on this exciting journey as we continue to move forward in that financial independence journey towards financial freedom, baby. So on that note, I'm gonna wrap it up there, but congrats to Willie Jackson. Thank you guys for subscribing and being part of this contest so far. I hope you guys found this video helpful in terms of the tips that I shared at the beginning of the video. If so, like this video, definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on our latest videos, and be on the lookout for my next upcoming contest, another little freebie, another free money contest where all you're gonna have to do is enter the newsletter. Maybe it might be a combination. You have to subscribe to the channel and then enter the newsletter, and you'll automatically be entered. Pretty simple. Nice way to be able to be added to a contest, a raffle, automatically whenever there's a freebie, in which I'll probably do another one where it will be definitely more than $25, maybe $50, maybe $100. We'll see. And it might even be something else. If there's something else you guys I think would be helpful for you guys, let me know. I'm open to ideas. I'm all ears. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up there, but like I said, you guys already know I got to keep it moving, keep it grooving. It's Friday night. I'm trying to punch out another video, got dinner and whatnot in a bit, so yeah, we keeping it moving over here, and you guys already know. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.